गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। एक्चुअली मैं इस बार दिवाली के लिए वीडियो नहीं बनाने वाला था बिकॉज सबने अपने फ़ोन से ही दिवाली के लाइट्स तो ऑलरेडी डाल दिए इंस्टाग्राम पे। बट जैसे बाहर हम निकले मुझे लगा कि क्यों ना मतलब थोड़ा बना देते थोड़ा कुछ। तो मैंने थोड़े कुछ वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किए हैं ऑफ द लाइट्स और हम जहाँ पे खाना खाने गए थे। तो अगर आपको लगे कि फ़ोन पे तो देख लिया, अब कैमरा से देख लेते हैं तो check it out. If not, then it's fine. I'll find you in the next one. So I'm starting this video with Sheikh Zayed Road. Sheikh Zayed Road anyway is always beautifully lit. But when I saw some Diwali lights on them, I thought let's start here. The next stop was Al Mankhool Road. In case you didn't know what he means, we are entering the OG area of Bur Dubai's Diwali celebrations, the Golden Sands Area. I'm going to reduce the volume of the music a little bit so you can enjoy the sound of the firecrackers.
No matter where you're from, all around the world, it's one unique, one special vibe.
I think we need to go back and listen to some more, don't you think? that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you enjoyed watching the firecrackers and you felt like you were there with me. And if you like the video, please consider sharing this video with your family members who are abroad and let them also get a feel of the Diwali that we have in Bur Dubai. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.